Hi everyone. Well, today is a bit different. Today I'm going to show you, this is my wife's new motorcycle, Triumph Trident 660. In Australia here it's a LAMS, learner approved motorcycle something, I'm not sure what the S stands for. But basically this is a bike that you can ride as a learner. It's in Australia, this bike, I think the Triumph Tiger 660, also same engine. They've de-restricted it via the software, so being an ride-by-wire throttle, basically they just remap the throttle and they can restrict the bike. So in theory, once you have finished your learner phase in Australia, you get your learner's license and you can practice for 3 months, and I think that's the minimum. After 3 months you can go and do your learner your full, not a full license, it's kind of a RE license, so it's still restricted. So you got your learners on a restricted bike, 3 months minimum. Go and do the practical test, and then you can get an RE license, which is a restricted license, and I think you have to be on it for another year before you can go and do, I think you've got to do another Q-Ride course or something, and then you can get your full unrestricted license. So the rules have changed since I did my license back in, when I did mine in 2007. You just had to have a car driver's license for 3 years, and then you could go and get a learner's and go and do a Q-Ride course. And as long as you were confident on the bike, I think it was a 1-day course I did, and they signed me off and I got my full open license there and then. I think I had a restriction in that I couldn't have a passenger for a year. I think that was about it. And then I was unrestricted as to what power to weight ratio I could have. Anyway, so this is my wife's bike. She's never ridden a bike before, and this is actually a very nice, a good smooth bike for a learner. The things we've added to this bike so far is this is called a slider. So it's protection against the bike falling over. This is also part of the protection we added. Engine cover. We got her the quick shifter. She's not learning with the quick shifter now. Once she knows how to change the gears and everything properly, then we'll go for that. Just trying to think what else we had done. So she's got the engine covers on the side as well. There's one here and one here, and then the slider on the side as well. And then we also had it lowered by, I think it was about 20 millimeters, just so that she could touch both sides comfortably. What it has done though, when the bike lowers, obviously it changes the way that the kickstand works, so the bike doesn't sit at too much of an angle once you have lowered it. Anyway, that's just something that you need to be accustomed to. Anyway, today she's been struggling with the clutch and the brake lever because they don't offer that much adjustability. In fact, the clutch has 0 adjustability and the brake has a bit, but it's not that great. So we thought we'd try the Evotech ones, which I received the other day. So I'm going to show you guys the installation of that. And this here is the Evotech box that they came in. So just quickly to look at this. They didn't come with any instructions, but I had a look online and it seems simple enough. Very nice, lightweight, and they've got 6 levels of adjustability. So those are the 2 there. These are the shorty ones. You can actually get longer ones with they actually, I don't know what they call them. They bend, but I don't know. I prefer We'll have to see how my wife likes them though, but I think these will work nicely. You don't have to grab with your whole hand, you can just use 2 fingers. So anyhow, I'm just coming around back to the side again. So we'll do the clutch first. Now the instructions weren't very clear, but it looks to me, what I'll do is I'll just loosen over here. And actually I don't even need a screwdriver. I think I just need the 10mm socket underneath here. And then just loosen it. It is fairly loose, and they tell you not to go crazy with tightening, so it looks like there's no specific torque, just holds it in place, I guess. Let's see if I can. It's loose enough just to do by hand now. Apparently there is some kind of a washer or something in here that you've got to be careful to not lose. Oh, it's inside there. Okay. So this should pop out. And yes, there is as far as I know, you've got to reuse this in the other one. So that's what comes out. I'll just do this so that I don't lose it. Okay, now they say to turn it around this way. Now, how does it come out? Okay, just twist it around and it should come out now. It's not that easy. Okay, it's it there. Okay, I hope it's going to be easy enough to get the new one in. Doesn't look that promising. I think I'm going to have to try and, what do you do, loosen it here. I don't know, maybe we can. Okay, that worked. Now twist it around. Yep, that's it. And put that washer thingy back in there. Oops. Why is it not sliding in? Okay. Okay, there we go. That's it. And then just tighten this. That was less painful than what I thought. Just going to put it on with my hands here first before I grab the... Okay. Just hand tighten it. Actually, it felt like this did click into place here as well, so it's not any old way. That there again. Okay. Maybe not 2 fingers, but 3 fingers. I'll just tighten it up just a little bit. That's kind of how it was. Okay. They look good as well, I think. Okay, now the other side. So on the brake side, there is, you do need a screwdriver to hold it. Yeah, I don't know why they didn't do it the same. Okay. It's also not loose at all. I mean, it's not tight at all. So again, you've got to be careful you don't strip these things. There we go. Slightly different bolts to the last one. This one's got a little lip on it. And then you still got to unscrew this by the looks of things. Okay, is that it? Yep. Okay. So, and that's simple. That just comes straight out. It's got a bit of grease or something on it. Put it on the floor. Just so you can see the difference in size there. It's quite significant. Okay. So there's no fiddly bits that pop out here or anything like that. It's just that bolt, that's it. Or so you would think. Yeah. Maybe I'm just not getting it in the right position below there. There we go. Just a bit of jiggling and it goes in. Okay. And then just putting the bolt back on underneath. Give it a bit of a tighten. That's all it needs. Yeah, so quite a difference. And just comparing the clutch as well. Also quite a big difference. And I think the black looks nicer than the silver color. Okay. Actually, that makes, with the brake, that makes quite a lot of difference. The position, it's on 1 now. That brings it in quite a lot closer. 2-finger braking, very, very easy that way. Yeah, that's going to make a heap of difference. Okay, and that's it. So it'll be interesting to see whether my wife likes it or not. I'll bring her out and she can have a look. Okay, get on the other side. Does it see the brake? You can do 2-finger. Try 2-finger. Okay, maybe 3 then. Okay.
That is much better.
Do you think so?
Easier to maneuver, also because they're smaller.
Yeah.
So, yes, that's much better for me.
Yeah. And they adjust 6 different. You can adjust them. I think that's on the closest.
Yes.
But just let go here. Let's see, that's all the way out.
What does that do? I don't understand.
Well, look there, it's further for your fingers now.
Forward. Yeah, no.
And that's much closer.
That's the best it can be.
Yeah,
for me.
yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I'm in more control.
They look nicer as well.
They do. I was going to say that. They do, actually. There's that little bit of red on there that goes with this.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's much better for me, eh?
Okay.
Much better.
All right, good. One happy customer.
Did you video that?